In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite members to Circle. So in a few simple and straightforward steps, whether you're new to Circle.so or looking to expand and engage your community further, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease and clarity. First, you need to start by logging into your Circle.so account. This is your gateway to managing and customizing your community spaces. Once you're logged in, your dashboard will be the first thing you see. This is like the control room for all your community activities and settings. Now, you will need to navigate to the specific space within your community where you want to invite new members. Think of spaces as group hubs for different topics or themes within your community. Each space acts as a separate entity where members can collaborate, share ideas, and participate in discussions. Once you're inside your desired space, you need to locate and click on the Members section. This area is crucial because it's where all the magic of inviting new members happens. Now you're ready to initiate the invitation process. Here, you have a couple of options to bring new faces to your community. You can manually enter the email addresses of those you wish to invite. This is a great way to send personalized invitations to specific people. Alternatively, if you're looking to invite a larger group or share the invitation more broadly, you have the option to copy an invite link. This can be incredibly useful if you want to include the link in a newsletter, share it in a different platform, or send it through another form of communication. Choosing the method that best suits your needs will help ensure everyone you want to join has the opportunity to do so. After entering the email addresses or sharing the invite link, it's time to send out those invitations. If you entered emails, hit the Send Invite button. For those using the invite link, simply share it in your chosen communication channel. It's important to know that people invited via email will receive a direct message in their inbox, guiding them on how to join your space. Those accessing through the link will be able to join directly, making the process smooth and straightforward. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently bring in new members to your circle. So, community. Ensuring the right people have access to your spaces will help grow and enrich your community, fostering a more dynamic and engaging environment for everyone involved. Remember, the key is to make it as easy as possible for new members to join and start contributing to your community's conversations. Thanks for watching and happy inviting.